Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will give you a tips for your YouTube video so that you can suggest your viewers to subscribe to your channel only from your video. So here, let's add the animation of subscribe button on this video. I got this video for today's tutorial. So the things that you have to do is just go bring these straight lines into this specific duration before it ends to pick the duration when we can display the subscribe button on it. The next thing you need to do is again just take a look on this button feature, tap into the text, add or click this sticker and type into the search button here subscribe, and then you just need to wait until everything is loaded on your screen. And then the next thing you need to do is just go pick the subscribe button that you want to add into your video. Right after you decide, just go tap it. If you want to get another, you just need to type or pick the other animations. I will let you add the video or the animation with the hands on it so that later on we can get more actions for the video. Okay, now just go click cancels and adjusting the positions where you want to place this button, adjusting the size too, and right after you're done, go click this checklist button. So this is what will you got later on your YouTube video. And that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy and hopefully you can apply it on your YouTube video. Please just tap into this thumbs up button and comment into some question that you want to answer by us, and let's meet again into other tutorial.